Hi, my name is Jill, and I'm here in response to your ad pitch for another ad for your Norwegian Cruise Line ad campaign for Feel Free. Um, Here we have the original ad. It's got the call to action, feel free to play and vacay, and it's got the beautiful ships. Now we'll look at this ad. We'll do an original ad analysis. Okay, the design of this original ad is really nice. The alignment's good, and the horizontal alignment of the ship matches the horizontal alignment of the call to action, inviting you to enjoy a carefree Norwegian cruise experience and contributes to the overall vacation theme of the ad. I like the proximity in this ad, how the text is placed. I think that the way it's placed organizes the information, reduces the clutter, and gives a clean structure to this ad. And the proximity organizes the things in the ad, the elements, both intellectually and visually. Now going on to the next slide, the typography. The typography is good. The use of all caps is a bold statement that contributes to the free and easy spirit of the ad. It's easy to read. It gets its point across. And the all caps is repeated in the logo and in the hashtag, unifying the elements of the ad and adding visual interest to the ad. A reader will visually recognize the vacation theme of ease and comfort associated with Norwegian Cruise Line. And we'll look at the color next. And the color of the original ads has the tropical blues of the skies as well as the blues of the ocean. And they're all portraying a message that Norwegian Cruise Line conveys, and that is that a good vacation is waiting to be had. Choose Norwegian Cruise Line for relaxation and a leisurely, carefree vacation. Now looking at the new ad is similar to the other ads in that it would fit right in with the ad campaign, the Feel Free. In this one, the call to action is similarly worded, feel free to join the fun. And it adds visual interest to the ad. This would just be a picture of a cruise ship if it didn't have the call to action. And the vacation theme of fun and leisure, easy to read, easy to vacation is what comes through with this ad. And that's why I feel that this ad would fit in good with your campaign and would carry on the message that you're trying to convey, or that you are conveying with Norwegian, because it is a superior cruise line. Thank you. That's all I have. Bye.